Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to recover your Shein account if you have forgot the password. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Shein app. Now click on sign in/register on the top. Now you can add your email address here, or you can simply continue with Google as well. So let's click on continue. Now since we do not know our password, click on forget the password, and to confirm, we'll get a link in our email address. So simply click on submit. Now let's go to email. So here's the link for resetting the password. Simply click on reset password. Now enter your new password. Confirm the new password. Now simply click on save. And it's done. Now enter the new password and click on sign in. So now we are in Shein interface. So this is all we can do to recover our account. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.